Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am back with another application. This key question number 3. How much will do it cost? And understanding what insurance coverage cost is actually quite and complicated is in it a overview. We talked about playing a premium in a role in a plan. This is an upfront cost that is the transparent to be IEO and you have how much you pay. And unfortunately for most plans this is not the only cost and associated with in care and receive. This is also typically cost when you assess care and such as cost and capture and detection tables and care such as the capture and coinsurance and the play and copies say de- defendations and blow and the representations this share to pay and out of the low pocket on your own pocket when you are receive care as the general rule of the thumb, this move more for the pay-in premium upfront and the less you will pay and when assess care and the less you pay in the premium, the more you will pay and when you assess care. Unfortunately for most and this is not only cost and associated and with the care you receive there is also typically cost when you assess and care and such cost is the captured as deductibles and coinsurance and or copy paste see definitions and below and representations this share to the payout and off on pocket and when you receive care as a general rule of thumb, the more you pay in a general rule of thumb, the more pay in premium font and the less you will pay when you assess care, the less your pay in premium and the more you will pay when you can assess care. The question for the student is pay and ledger share and no or pay and the large share and later in the ether pay and will pay and the cost for your receive and will have taken and approved. This is a better to pay and large share is the unfound premium to minimize as much as the possible cost that are the incurred at the time of services. The reason of the thinking is that we don't I want any barrier and thinking is that we don't want any barrier and to care such as high copy is the much time to care. And the also cost and associations with the care to you receive. There is also typically cost when you assess care and such as the cost captured and detection abilities and coinsurance and or copays and see differentiations pro and the representations and share to be paid out of your own pocket when you receive care and as general rule to thumb and more you pay in premium. below and the representations the share you pay and out of the down pocket when you receive and care are general rule of thumb and more you pay in premium upfront and less you will pay when you assess care and the less you pay in premium the more you will pay when you assess care and premium up and the less you will pay and when assess care and the less you pay in premium the more you will pay when you assess care. The question of our, our students is play a larger share no or pay a large share and latter a theater way to will pay and the cost of care received. And believe respect and the share to pay and off on pocket when you receive to as care general rule and of thumb and you are more and thumb the more pay in the premium and font less and you will then premium first the less and will pay when you assess care and then less you pay in premium and more the less pay in premium, the more you will pay when you assess care. The question for our students is pay a large share and no pay and a large share later and third way to will pay and the cost of care received and we have taken the approach that it is a better to pay large share in the upfront premium to minimize as much as possible costs they are incurred at the time of services. The reason for overthinking is that we don't want to barrier to care and such as the high copy to the pay of services the discourage students to getting care. We want students to assess medical care and such as high copy as the time of services is the discouraging students from getting care. We want students to assess medical care and whenever it's needed. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.